How to reset PowerPoint to default settings. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Registry Editor. Go to search bar and search for Registry Editor and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the second option, which is HKey Current User. In here, you'll find Software, Expand Software. In Software, you'll find Microsoft, expand Microsoft. Then search for Office. After you find Office, simply expand it. Select the version you have downloaded your PowerPoint of. I have downloaded 16.0. In here, I'll find PowerPoint. Right-click on PowerPoint and then click on Delete. Click on Yes, and you're good to go. That's how to reset PowerPoint to default settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.